Good morning, my name is Oscar with OND General Contractor. Today is Saturday, July 8, 2023. I'm in Odenton, Maryland, about to do a repair tent for State Farm. Before I start, I'm gonna take an overview of the roof, front slope and back slope. Here where I am is a front slope. First, I'm gonna show you, second, I'm gonna show you the damages on the roof. This is the repair tent that we're gonna do this morning. This shingle right here, we're gonna try repair, but I'm gonna show you the different other damages with creases and missing shingles on the roof. This is the front slope once again. As I'm going down, I'm really careful right here because it's pretty steep and tall. So some missing shingle right there. Crease. That's a PR, previous repair. Missing shingle, as you guys can see, the rust on the shingle, on the nails. That's completely ripped off right there. And now I'm gonna take you to the back slope where there's only a few missing shingles, but still some crease. It's crease right there. Crease. It's a previous repair. Crease. More over there. Missing tap over there. This is the back slope of the roof. Now I'm gonna take it back to the front slope of the roof where I'm gonna proceed doing the repair tent. So basically what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna break the seal of this shingle. This is the one that I'm gonna try repair. The roof is over 15 years old, probably close to 20, I guess. Lost a lot of granule, so that's the one that we're gonna try repair. So I'm gonna count this 1, 2, 3. It's a 3 tap. So this is a shingle that I'm gonna repair. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna break the seal of this one, that one, and the one below. Okay, and then we'll see what's the final result, if it's repairable or not. Here are the tools that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a flat bar, spatula, very hot today. Humid. All right, this is the shingle that we repair. As you guys can see, all the granule of the shingle above that we lost is massive. It's a lot. This right here, ripped off. You guys can see pretty much small crease. So I don't think this this roof is not repairable. It's losing a lot of granule. Also, when I nailed the shingle that we replaced, the one above, lose a lot of granule, create the crease on top. The two rows above. I don't think this roof is repairable. With the amount of repairs that needs to be done on this roof, will be better and more quality, you know, to get a full roof. There's a lot of damages in the front, a lot of creases, missing shingles, sagging in the back, and this roof is not repairable. Thank you.